Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be turning my hair from brass to blonde, and I'm so excited because I've been living with this fucking fiasco for the last couple of weeks. I had a really bad experience with a stylist. I'm not going to name any names, but I think she, did a pretty decent job, but it's very yellow, very brassy, and I'm not playing with that right now, so we're just going to go ahead and fix this at home. I'm just showing you guys everything that's going on right now with my hair. So I went to Sally's and I ended up getting the Wella T18 toner along with a developer level 10. I didn't want to contribute any more damage to my hair. It's pretty fucked up right now, pretty sad. As you can see, there's a lot of choppiness, a lot of unevenness, just not the business, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of it today. As I'm combing out my hair, guys, I'm not even kidding you, this is what I have to do every single time I wash my hair. I have to section off my hair, comb it out. It's just very unmanageable. It's a very long process now. Shouldn't have to be this way, but it is. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the roots because I feel like it wasn't blended at all. There was no shadow. There was absolutely nothing done with that part. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I really just wanted to blend as beautifully as possible. I'm also going to just work my way down because my hair is a lot lighter underneath versus it being lighter on top, meaning there's just a lot of brass going on in the crown area, and I really want to focus on that because, I mean, that's the first thing that I see. And right over here, I'm just showing you guys basically the process of me toning my hair. So at this point, it's all over my head, and I made sure that it's touched every single strand, which kind of took a long time, but this is what it looks like. And on this slide, my hair has been processed for about 20 minutes. I left it on for a total of 30 minutes this time. So I'm really excited because it is doing its job, and I cannot wait to see the outcome. My hair's washed. As you can see, it's really damaged. It looks like a bird's nest. There is just a lot going on in there, so I'm definitely going to be using some oil in my hair. I'm going to be putting a lot of oil. I'm going to section it off. I'm going to apply the oil. I'm going to brush it out, and then I'm going to blow dry. As you can see, guys, my hair is very choppy, very uneven. There was no blend whatsoever from the stylist, so just wanted to show you what I'm working with. And here I'm almost done. I'm just going to go ahead and create some sort of dimension by creating a little bit of a flip. So here's just a zoom in of what my hair looks like now, all of the different types of blondes that I'm working with, and also I wanted to show you guys that underneath it is a lot lighter and very choppy. So it's safe to say that I'm not going to be wearing my hair up for the next couple of days until I find someone to fix this. And here's the back side of my hair. I wanted to do just a quick slow motion clip because I wanted you guys to see the different types of blondes that I'm working with. I still have a lot of brass that I want to go ahead and take care of, but I'm going to use a purple shampoo. If you are trying to take the brass out of your hair, I do recommend the T18, the Wella T18 toner, because it worked wonders on mine. So thumbs up on this for sure. I will do this again. So go pick yourself up some Wella, tone your hair, girls, save yourself some money, find a new hairdresser. I think that's pretty much it. And by the way, this is my very first video, so really excited to post this video. I hope that every single one of you enjoyed this video, and I hope that if your hair was brassy like mine and you do the same process, that it turns out like this or even lighter for you. If you have any questions or any comments, just drop that shit down below. All right, bye.